Here we have Jamie Squibb, a talented freestyle motocross rider who makes massive jumps effortlessly. And Chris Brock, who whips his machine out mid-air with such style. Riders like these make it look easy. And now we have our friends Matt and Ross on their week off from their day jobs, hanging out, having fun with their bikes. On this unused bit of land in Devon, they have set themselves a little course. And here Matt goes. Swoops down, into a jump, sneaking no footer, down round the corner and out. And now Ross's turn. Down, over, round, and out. Hours of fun. Oh, and a nice donut. That day, Matt made himself a jump. Eyeing it up for the first time, you never really know how these things are going to ride. But after a couple of tries, makes it with ease. It really is lots of fun riding motorcycles off-road with your friends. Motocross can be thrilling, but you only understand its true beauty when it's slowed down. Off-road motorbikes come in all shapes and sizes. Here's Dan on his little 110cc pit bike. It's great fun rousing it round this sand track. At the end of the week, Ross and Matt took themselves to a practice track in the Welsh countryside. Ross really had a good day on his 250 four-stroke. He handled the course like the best. Matt also had a good day, but found the course demanding on his 1252 stroke. Always having to change between the gears just to get the power down. Complaining, "I keep getting arm pump." Nevertheless, Ross kept the power on all day. Motorcycling really is the most fun when you're off-road with your friends.